Hello everyone, welcome to Jinghua Education. I'm Steven. In this video, we're going to talk about how to find the surface area and the volumes for a 3D shape. So this is part 1. Part 2 and part 3 in the same unit. So in part 1, we're going to talk about how to find the surface area and the volumes for a sphere and the rectangular prisms. In part 2, we're going to talk about how to find the surface area of square pyramid and then rectangular pyramid. In part 3, we're going to talk about how to find surface area and volumes for the red cylinder and the red cone. Okay, so please make sure you watch all of them. They are equally important. Okay, let's see the first part here. Finding the surface area and volume for sphere. Okay, so actually you're going to find more, and then you're going to find how this formula being calculated, being generated on the second level of calculus, which is the first year of university. Right now you don't need to worry that much. So right now just remember it. There isn't really better way to do these things. Okay, so just say that. So the volumes of a sphere just equal to 4 over 3 pi r cube. Okay, so how to remember this? 4 over 3, just a number, fixed number, just remember this. Pi, just when we talk about circles, we're going to talk about the pi, right? And then the r is the radius and cube. Because we talk about volumes, and then this is the standards for the cube, right? When we talk about volumes, we cube. Talking about the area, we talk about square. So this is how you remember it. The surface area is actually easier to remember. Okay, pi r square. We all know what pi r square is. Pi r square is how to find area of the circle. Okay, but this is not circle. This is sphere. Just remember this. Surface area just equal to 4 circle. Sphere equal to 4 circle area. And that's it. Okay? Alright, let's see how to find surface area of this sphere. Okay, we have radius equal to r, right? This is r here. Okay, so now how do we find surface areas? We just plug in 8 into this formula. It will be 4 times the pi times 8 square. 8 square equal to 64, right? And then 4 times 64 is how much? It's 256 pi, and that's it. Make sense? All right. So and then the volumes of this equal to 4 over 3 times the pi times r cube. R cube, which is 8 cube. Okay, so V equal to 4 over 3 times the pi times 8 cube. 8 times 8 equals 64, and time another 8 equal to 512. And then times 4 equal to 2048 divided by 3. So the volume equal to 2048 pi divided by 3. And that's it. Make sense? Okay, now we talk about the prisms. Some students is confused about what is a prism and what is a pyramid. Actually, there is very easy to separate them. I have like a silly ways to help you how to remember this. Okay, think about a pyramid. You all see the Egypt pyramid, right? So the pyramid is exactly that shape, which is there's a base and then there's one peak, one point on the top. So like a triangular shape of the pyramid. So you remember that, and then you see what the pyramid is. The prism, you can thinking about, okay, the prisoner, the prison break. People in a prison, so it's supposed in the room, right? The room, what shape of the room? The shape of the room is a prism. Okay, now you can remember what is a prism and what is a pyramid. I know it's silly, but sometimes you use your silly ways to remember important things. Okay, so how to find the volumes of the prisms? Very simple. So base times height, always true. Okay, so it's not just for rectangular prisms, for any kind of prisms. Okay, the rectangular prisms, the triangular prisms, and then even more pentagon prisms, like all kind of prisms is like that. Okay, and then how to find this base? Base equal to length times width, right? The length is 12. The width is how much? The width is this part. So the width of here, 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 and here are exactly the same, which is 9 inches. So the base just equal to width times height, length, sorry. So width is 9, length is 12. The height is how much? The height is 3, right? So we have 3 inches here, 3 inches here. So, sorry, this is height, will be just 3 here. So 12 times 9 times 3 equal to, this is 108, times 3 is 324 cubic inches. That's it. Very simple. Okay, the surface area. Surface area is easy as well. Okay, so let's see how many surface we have in these prisms. We have 6, right? Okay, how do we find the 6 here? Let's see. This is one of them. Okay, and then this is correspondent. So this is will be exactly the same. So we say the yellow part is 1 and 2. Okay, and then this part is 3, and this part is 4. All right, and then the last part is the pink part is the 5 here, like that, and then well, sorry about that. It's kind of, and then it's kind of the overlaps. Okay, on the top of the 5 and the bottom is 6. So we have total 6 part. All right. So how to find each part here? Let's do one by one. We're going to talk about the first top part here, this part. What is the area of this? So the purple part is 9 times 12, right? We have a 9 times 12 on the bottoms, on the and the top. So we have 9 times 12 times 2. So this is not our the first two part, the purple part, the 1 and the 2 on the bottom and top. Okay, the next one is, let's remove this and then try to find another one here, this one here and here. So these two will be the 9 times 3, right? So 9 times 3 just equal to 9 times 3, and this side and the other side as well. So these two are same. So we have times 2 here. And then finally, we're going to talk about this two part, this part and this part. This two part is 12 times 3, right? This is 12 times 3. How many of them? 2 of them times another 2. So we add this part, and this part together, and done. Then what is the formula of the rectangular prism surface area? So let's see, this is what? This is the length, this is height times 2. That's width times length times 2. That's width times height times 2. So in our formulas, just equal to length times width plus length times height plus width times height. So we got 3 of them. Each one are different side, right? We times the 2, which is 1, 2, 3 times 2 will be total 6 side. And then this is our formulas. Okay, so in this case, we can using our simple ways. We just say 12 times 3 plus 9 times 12 plus 9 times 3 big bracket and then times 2. So this is our surface area of rectangular prisms. Okay, if you have any questions, please comment below. I will answer your question in my next videos. If you like, please subscribe. It's very important to me. Thank you so much.